this. And as I start to clean up, I can see the difference, and the place literally starts to feel a little bit lighter, you know, a little bit lighter. So and as I said, this really borderlines on, you know, preventing you from just wanting to keep scrap woods. And it might be what I have to do now is come up with a better plan, a much better plan in terms of what I keep and what I throw away. So you have to be constantly improving, not just in trade or what you do, but also